Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear audience. Welcome to today's video. Dear audience, do you know our solar system does not end at Neptune? Beyond it lies a mysterious frozen region of icy world. And Pluto is also one of them. And that region is called Kuiper Belt. Today we are going to explore the amazing world of Kuiper Belt. So stay with me. Kuiper Belt is frozen, icy rocks present beyond the Neptune. In this video, we will discuss about Kuiper Belt. Kuiper Belt is a large ring-shaped region beyond the planet Neptune. It is 30 to 55 astronomical units AU from the Sun. AU is the measuring unit for distance between the astronomical objects. It is made of icy objects. It is very cold and dark. Think of it like a giant frozen donut around our solar system. Here you can see planetary orbits and the Kuiper Belt. In this picture, you can see Kuiper Belt. Pluto is moving in the Kuiper Belt and other dwarf planet Eris is also the part of this belt. And this Kuiper Belt is present beyond the Neptune. The Kuiper Belt contains ice, rocks and frozen gases. And here temperature is very low, even it is around minus 220 degrees centigrade. Many objects are here. They are small icy bodies, dwarf planets and comets. They are also present in the Kuiper Belt. Here you can see the dust of Kuiper Belt beyond the Neptune. Here is Neptune and Kuiper Belt is present beyond the Neptune. Dwarf planets present in the Kuiper Belt are Pluto, Haumea, Makemake and Eris. They are also the part of Kuiper Belt. The most famous object in the Kuiper Belt is Pluto. Pluto was once called the 9th planet of our solar system. But now we know it is one of the icy bodies in this region. Other dwarf planets, Haumea, Makemake and Eris are also the part of Kuiper Belt. In the Kuiper Belt, Pluto is one of the largest icy objects and it has solid icy surface. In this picture, you can observe the outer structure of Pluto. Dear audience, do not confuse Asteroid Belt with the Kuiper Belt. Both belts are different. Let's discuss difference between them. Asteroid Belt is present between Mars and Jupiter, but Kuiper Belt is present beyond the Neptune. Asteroid Belt is mostly made of rocks. Rocky objects are moving in the Asteroid Belt, but in Kuiper Belt, mostly icy objects and rocky objects are present. Asteroid Belt is smaller region, while Kuiper Belt is much larger region. Here you can see clear difference between Asteroid Belt and Kuiper Belt. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars of solar system are called inner planets and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. Between the inner planets and outer planets is a rocky belt and that belt is called Asteroid Belt. While beyond the Neptune is another belt of icy and rocky objects and that belt is called Kuiper Belt. In this belt, Pluto, Makemake and Eris, dwarf planets are also present. So we can differentiate between Asteroid Belt and Kuiper Belt very clearly. Here you can see the asteroid belt and its major parts present between inner and outer planets. This is also a clear picture of asteroid belt and its parts. Now we will discuss how Kuiper Belt was discovered. Kuiper Belt was predicted by scientists in 1951, but it was officially discovered in 1992. It was named after astronomer Gerard Kuiper. Space missions like NASA's New Horizons helped us learn more about this region. Why is Kuiper Belt important? Kuiper Belt helps scientists to understand the formation of solar system, study early space materials and learn about comets. It is like a time capsule of the early solar system. So we can say that Kuiper Belt is made of dust, rocks and icy materials present beyond the Neptune, and Pluto is the largest object present in the Kuiper Belt. In the end, if you have understand the topic of Kuiper Belt, then please answer me some MCQs. First one is, where is Kuiper Belt located? Kuiper Belt is located beyond Mars, Jupiter, Neptune or Saturn. If you know the answer, please type in comment section. Second question is, Kuiper Belt mainly contains hot lava, ice and rocks, only gases or water oceans. Third question is, Pluto is a star, asteroid, dwarf planets or comets. If you know the answer, please type in comment section. So now you know where Pluto lives. The Kuiper Belt. It is the frozen edge of our solar system. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing space mysteries. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.